So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to provide custom instructions inside of ChatGPT. So once you have ChatGPT open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the bottom left and press on your username right here. Then where it says custom instructions right here, right above right below my GPTs and right above settings and beta, simply just press on custom instructions. Now, where it says, "What would you like ChatGPT to know about?" You to provide a better response. You can type in whatever you want. Thoughts and starters. Where are you based? Where do you work, etc. You can scroll down then and say, "How would you like ChatGPT to respond?" You can go ahead and type in, different stuff like how formal or casual should it be, how long or short should the responses be, etc. And once that is done, you can go ahead and press on save. Make sure that enable for new chats is selected, and then there you go. Pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can provide custom instructions inside of ChatGPT for your responses. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.